Can you decorate a cake with a spoon? The answer is yes. Watch this video to see how to create this beautiful rustic design on your buttercream cakes using a spoon. No fancy equipment required. For stress-free cake tutorials and advice, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. So all you need to create this look is your turntable, an angled spatula, a spoon, and your buttercream. Start with a crumb-coated cake. Make sure the cake isn't frozen, otherwise it will be hard to achieve a smooth, textured look. Apply an even and thick layer of frosting to the sides of your cake. You can use a piping bag here if you'd like, or an angled spatula like me. Then add frosting to the top of the cake and smooth it out, making sure it is level. Use a bench scraper or your angled spatula to go around your cake and even out the buttercream. Go in with the tip of your spoon and make random swirls in different directions, scraping off any excess buttercream from the spoon as needed. The more random, the better. You want to do this gently and apply the same amount of pressure each time. Once you've achieved the look you like, level off the top of the cake and smooth it out with your angled spatula. You can also do the same spoon technique for the top if you'd like. So I hope you liked that super easy and quick tutorial. Let me know in the comments below if you try this tip out or if you want to see any other buttercream tutorials from me. If you like this video, click like, hit subscribe, and make sure to grab my free foolproof Swiss meringue buttercream guide listed below.